You open your liquid and it just doesn't look right. Well, don't panic and don't throw the bottle away, because I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. If you have been dipping for a while, then you know what this is. But if you're not familiar with it, then you're probably wondering, what's wrong with my liquid? Why is it goopy, thick, or even looks like a blob? Well, the short answer is, it's contaminated. Yes, it's contaminated. But again, I will say, do not throw the bottle away, because I have a few options for you. You may be able to save it and thin out the liquid using a brush cleaner. Most dip powder sets and orders come with an extra bottle labeled brush cleaner or brush saver. You can try using that to clean off and restore your brush. I have a video that details the entire process, including how long you should wait before using the brush after you cleaned it to prevent it from getting stiff. I will insert a link above and also put that down in the description box. Now, another option is to drop a few drops of acetone into the bottle and then shake it up to loosen up the liquid. If you have tried the brush cleaner and your liquid is still contaminated, because there is a chance that can happen, you can instead turn this bottle into one that you use for nail swatches. Now, I've discussed the benefits of nail swatching, and I've also shown my process in a previous video, so I'm going to leave that link above as well as put it down below in the description box if you'd like to see it. Believe it or not, contaminated liquids can be used for your designs. Whether it is on a swatch stick to test out a look, or you're actually applying it to your nail to create or recreate a full design. Using this liquid that is contaminated prevents the worry of you messing up your good liquids or even your new liquids. So as I said at the beginning, instead of throwing away your liquids once you notice it's contaminated, you do have a few options that you can use instead. Now, I want to take a second to say thank you to everyone for taking a moment to watch this video. My Aloft family is growing. We are a little over 2,000 subscribers, and my most watched video has actually hit 100,000 views. So I really can't thank you enough for the love and support, as well as the views and comments on all of my videos. All I can say is keep them coming, and I really appreciate it. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video or learned something from me today. If you have, please give this a thumbs up. Drop any questions you might have in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.